Welcome to the future of everyday carry. In 2025, artificial intelligence isn't just in the cloud, it's in our pockets, on our wrists, and woven into our daily lives. This is my AI-powered everyday carry. At the heart of my carry is my AI-powered smartphone. It doesn't just answer questions, it predicts my needs, summarizes emails, translates conversations, and creates content in seconds. My AI-enhanced glasses bring information into the real world. From navigation arrows on the street to instant translations, even reminders about people I meet, my glasses keep me connected effortlessly. My AI-enhanced glasses bring information into the real world. From navigation arrows on the street to instant translations, even reminders about people I meet, my glasses keep me connected effortlessly. My smartwatch is more than a fitness tracker. It predicts health patterns, warns me of risks, and gives me personalized nutrition and exercise suggestions. It's like a health coach on my wrist. I still love writing on paper, but my AI notebook digitizes every scribble instantly. It organizes my notes, translates handwriting, and even generates summaries from my sketches. For quick access, I carry a pocket-sized AI companion. With one button, it answers questions, records conversations, and controls my smart home, without even unlocking my phone. My wallet isn't just for cards. It uses AI-powered security to detect fraud, create one-time digital cards, and even help me budget smarter. Together, these devices form my AI-powered everyday carry. They anticipate, simplify, and enhance my life, not just preparing me for the day, but optimizing it. In 2025, everyday carry is no longer just about tools, it's about intelligence you can carry with you everywhere. This is the future of EDC. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful and inspiring, there's so much more waiting for you here on Tipster Hub. Every week we share practical tips, powerful strategies, and smart ideas to help you save money, work smarter, and live better. Don't miss out. Hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you're the first to know when new videos drop. And remember, Tipster Hub isn't just about watching, it's about learning, growing, and unlocking your best potential. Join the community today and let's explore smarter living together.